whoa, 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 whoa. That's a little. Last night in Vegas. Let's get it. Bye-bye, Vegas. We see you later. Bread. We about to get it. All right, y'all. So this is one of our free meals that we got here in Vegas, and they said you can only make one trip. So let me show y'all my one trip. It's pretty full. Got a little bit of everything up on that thing. That's his.
Okay. And the steak picanha, red, medium, medium there.
Yes, medium.
Go ahead. This is medium.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That's a little too medium.
All this.
Yeah, let's go to this side.
This?
Yeah, that's better.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Okay?
All
this
right.
is the combos, okay?
Okay, thank you. I'm going to try that medium, though. Y'all, I tried to put a dent up in this plate. I did. And I think, for me, I put a dent up in this plate. Yeah, I'm good for now. We about to go figure out something to do. Walk some more steps. How many steps we did last night? 18,000. 8 miles, almost 9 miles last night. So, won't be there tonight. All right. Last night in Vegas. Let's get it. Come to Vegas and not come and watch the Bellagio show. Here we go. We are in the Bellagio. Another great place to go sightsee in Vegas. You never been, we about to take you with us. Let's go.
Last day in Vegas. Ain't looking too hot. Let me just turn it around. Rain, rain. It's supposed to be more rain. But we're gonna make it do what it do.
All right, folks, we came, we saw, we conquered Vegas. We celebrated my birthday, and now it's time to head to the house.
Yes, indeed. We enjoyed ourselves. Weather was kind of, but you know we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it do what it do. We got to get out there anyway. So
what did we do while we were here? We did some things this time that we had never done. We've been to Vegas. We calculated. I've been 7 times, and you've been what, five times. Yeah.
Yep.
And so we've done some things this time that we have never done. We did the helicopter ride. I hope you enjoyed that footage. What else did we do?
You put me on the spot.
Shit. We went on some tours. You know how they had those little... Okay, so if you ever come to Vegas and the people try to get you to go on a tour, I highly advise you do it because we did too.
Yeah.
Okay? And we got $125 each on one of them. And then we got the helicopter ride. Oh, we went to the dinner. We got a free dinner. We got a free vacation. And what else came with that? The helicopter ride, the dinner, and the vacation. That was it. So the people that are on the strip that try to like get you to go do things, or the hotels you check in, try to go get you to talk to people. If you have time, we highly advise at least doing it at least one time. Say no. Somebody didn't want to say no in one of them, but you know, say no, get the free gifts, and go. Right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
But you know, if you got time to spare, you know, it's easy gifts.
It is.
One thing you know you actually get for free in Vegas. It ain't free. You're gonna use about 90 minutes of your time.
Yeah.
So like we said, we said what, 5 days. We had plenty of time.
Yeah.
If you got time, we ate good at Pampas too.
Man, yeah, that was pretty good.
Yeah, and the helicopter ride was dope, you know.
Yeah, that was real dope.
Especially for free.
Yes. That's the best part. It was free. And, you know, they gave us little gift cards, you know what I'm saying? So we've been using those gift cards since, you know, we've been down here. But anyways, again, we came, we saw, Vegas was great. We will be back. We don't know when. Hey, that's one of the free trips that we got to come back to Vegas. So, cool. You know, we'll keep y'all posted.
Yes.
So, y'all stay tuned.
On to the next one.
Peace. Before the flight vibes. Bye Vegas. We see you later. We out this thing. It's raining, it's cold, it's slippery. Peace. We made it to the airport. We barely made it through TSA. Both of our bags had to be scanned, what, like twice? Crazy, because we didn't take our laptops out. Well, when we came through Austin, they didn't make us take it out, and they didn't say take your laptops out. We didn't have to take our liquids out, so like, what the fuck? But we're on the tram, and we are headed to our gate, so.
We're good now.
Yeah, we're good now, so y'all stay tuned. We on the plane, y'all. Trying to get back home.
We'll be leaving shortly.
Yes.
At this time, large bags must go in an overhead bin. Small bags may be stowed under the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Small mobile devices may be secured on you or your seat pocket, and larger electronic devices must be stowed in a bag, not in seat pockets. If you are seated in an exit seat, please review the exit seat criteria and responsibilities on the safety information card in your seat pocket. If you do not meet these criteria, do not wish to perform these responsibilities of any condition which prevents you from performing, or you may suffer bodily harm should you perform these
Yeah, we may
functions.
get lucky.
Please contact the
He
flight
spent
attendant
the
to
night
the
in
seating.
Vegas last night. You hear him stuttering.
Y'all, we may get lucky right now. We got an empty seat next to us. But that's it.
5:10.
5:10? Oh, it's time to
Unless they
go.
got everybody on, they can't take off.
Hey, we fingers crossed that I can scoot over and we can have some room on this flight. So, yo, somebody is already knocked out and we ain't even took off yet. That's not me. Vegas owes him nothing.
$35,000 feet, but they're holding us down due to traffic. So hopefully they're going to climb us here in a couple of minutes and get into some smoother air. In the meanwhile, we'd just like for our flight attendants to stay seated, and of course for all the passengers to stay seated with your seatbelts fastened. Thank you.
We landed.
8 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry on items stowed until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Your response is to improve your future travel experiences. On behalf of this Boston-based crew, thank you for choosing Delta, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.